Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with User Insurance for Military. My member experience review. User Insurance for Military offers various insurance products specifically tailored for military members and their families. This includes car insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, life insurance, and more. It aims to provide comprehensive coverage and competitive rates while understanding the unique needs of military personnel. Key features often include deployment benefits, accident forgiveness, and various discounts. Their website provides details about all their offerings. User emphasizes its commitment to serving the military community and often highlights member benefits like convenient online account management, dedicated customer service, and financial advice. They position themselves as understanding the specific challenges and needs of military life, potentially offering flexible payment options and coverage adjustments for deployments. Availability is generally restricted to military members, veterans, and their eligible family members. You can check your eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using User Insurance for Military. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I was already eligible through family, and setting up my auto insurance policy online was a breeze. The website was easy to navigate, and I could easily compare different coverage options and get quotes quickly. The interface was clean and user-friendly. I appreciated how they clearly outlined all the discounts I qualified for, including the military discount and safe driver discount. Managing my policy online, like updating payment information and viewing documents, was also incredibly convenient. Performance-wise, I've thankfully only had to file one claim, a minor fender bender. The process was surprisingly smooth. I filed the claim online, and a representative contacted me within a few hours. They walked me through the next steps and everything was resolved quickly and fairly. I had a quick question about my coverage during a deployment, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, showing all my policies and important information in one place. The standout feature for me was definitely the accident forgiveness, which gave me peace of mind knowing my rates wouldn't skyrocket after one minor incident. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for viewing insurance cards, although they do offer a general user app with some insurance functionalities. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing my coverage, but once I figured it out, it was fine. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with User Insurance. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally meets my needs and provides excellent service tailored for military members like myself. That's my overview of User Insurance for Military. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.